Hey, it's me, John, and I'm back with part 3 of my video where I build a computer into, like, a recycling bin. Jesus. He's there, ain't he?
You are still doing this, hey?
Listen, I don't come to your place to work. Wait, why do you have a hat on? Where did you even get a hat?
I am told it makes me look more human.
Who told you that? Listen, you're not Okay, you're a PC, you're not people.
And you're a stupid with a and in the freckly Irish.
Whoa, hey, listen, do you kiss your motherboard with that flappy little door you use as a mouth?
I will kiss your mouth with my fist.
Wait, hold on a second. When did you get hands?
I should probably get going now.
Wait, where are you going? How are you even moving? And he's gone. Okay. In the last video, I created a computer case by cutting and drilling out the needed areas for the components. In this video, I'm finally going to finish that computer case and put a computer into it. So, we're getting into the end game here now, people. No, not that one. The one with the finger. Yeah, that one's got fingers, but the one with the finger. Yes, thank God. Finally. Jeez, who's running this shit? Of course, it's you. Alright, let's just get into the video. First, I start by drilling holes in the recycling bin in order to run screws for mounting the motherboard. Because of the distance of the rear I/O, the motherboard will need to stand out about 4 inches or 10 centimeters to line up with it. To make sure the motherboard does not move while attached to the mounting screws, I will use 3 nuts per mounting screw. 1 for mounting the screw to the recycling bin, 1 on the back end of the motherboard to keep it lined up with the rear I/O, and then the last nut will be used to fasten the motherboard to the mounting screws. With the curvature of the bin, it's a little tricky to line up, but I managed to get 3 mounting points for the motherboard, which should be enough to keep it in place. Once this is completed, I move on to creating, mounting, and venting holes for my intake and outtake fans. Most of this work was done off camera, but you can see me drill some of the many holes and finish the area up by sanding it. After this, I drill some more venting holes for the power supply, then move on to finishing up the wiring for the power switch. The power switch wire needs to run to the inside of the case, so I still need to drill a hole between the 2 mounting points, then run the wire to the inside of the case. Now that the switch's wire is inside the case, I'm finally ready to put this computer together. With the limited space, I tuck the hard drive under the power supply, then I start connecting all the needed cables to the motherboard, and finally mount the motherboard to the recycling bin. Plugging everything in proved to be a heck of a lot harder than anticipated, but I managed to get the computer fully wired up and mounted to the recycling bin case. Now that everything is together, I connect the computer to a monitor, then plug in a keyboard and mouse, then finally fire up my recycling bin computer. And there it is, a computer in a recycling bin, but as far as I'm concerned it needs a little bit more charm. So I decide to cut out a piece of cardboard to place on top of the recycling bin to cover the top with cans in order to give the appearance that the recycling bin is filled with cans rather than computer components. Now that it's all together, let's have a look at this build. And that's where I'm going to end this video. As always, please like and share this video. Also, feel free to subscribe on the above platforms. Stay tuned for part 4 where I actually game on the recycling bin computer. Thanks for watching.